So we are going to be, since we built this last time, this time we're going to build the Moana set. Now also the Moana pot, so we can build it with two. So this is what it's supposed to look like. So I'm going to start doing the building. So we did this and did this the body, put it on the legs, and of course did our head on there and her hair. Is it? So if you see the hair, then you'll see it again because I'm putting it on there right now. So this is what she's supposed to look like. And they didn't paint shoes on her because she doesn't have shoes. So let's bring her to the side. And now we're going to start building her boat. So we did this. And this, and place it on there, like this. So now, this pink piece and this orange piece. We put this orange piece like that. And we use this tan, this pink, and put it right there, like that. And then we did one of these pieces. This and put it like this. Now we get the other piece like it. We connect it like that. And then let's the daddles to do to the next side like I said on the pencil. And we did this. Like there, like that. Then we did these two brown pieces, but not that orange one. Then we place them right there, like that. Okay, this one. That's down to the next page. And we get these two pieces and put them on these. Like that. Then we did both of these pieces and we placed them like that. Then we did the other one and do the same thing. Like that. Now let's get us to the 10th page and the 11th page. And then we did this and this, these two pieces, for sale and this. Then we this then get this and put it right. And now let's do that. Do like I said, we'll punch it. Put just these two pieces and this. So we put this just like that, and then we do this, and we do that, just like that. But still, that is to do it then to the next page. We get this long blue piece and put it right there. Then we get these two pieces and put this right here. And do that. And it looks like that. And let's do that to do then to the next page. Then you place this right here. Just like that. And then we get the heart of the Fiji. This and this. And we put the heart of the Fiji in there. And we put the top on it like that. And then we get this flower right here. And we put it right there. Like that. The heart of the Fiji. Then we get this and put it right there. Just like that. Then we start walking on the little island and all the rest of the things off of that. Set that flower off there. We did this and this. And we put this right here like that. Let's do that to do that to the next page. And we did this, and we put it right here, like that. Then get the blue one, then we put it right there, just like that. Then we get this piece and we put it right there. And then we get this and this. And we put this one right there. And we put this green one right there. Like that. Then we get this little, like this thing right here, and we put it right there, like that. And then we did these two pieces, and we put them right here. It's hard to get them. And let's get the other one. And put it right there. And we get this blue piece. We put it right there. Just like that. And then we get this piece. And right there. Just like that. Then this. Put it here. Like that. And then we get this piece and this piece. Like that. And then this like right there, like that. Then we that's all of it. But actually, let's do put it right there. Press the red button and subscribe for more little videos.
See you later.
See you later.